Have you ever posted a YouTube short, checked back an hour later, and barely anyone watched it? Or maybe you see other channels exploding overnight while yours struggles to hit even 100 views. Why does that happen? And more importantly, how do you fix it? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today, step by step. No fluff, no random tips. Just a clear roadmap you can follow to grow your own Shorts channel from zero. Step 1. Start with the right account. Do you need an old, aged account? Yes, it helps, but if you don't have one, don't panic. Just create a new Gmail and warm it up. Spend a couple of days watching Shorts, engaging with videos. Why? Because YouTube wants to know you're a real user, not a bot. Step 2. Find your niche. This is where most beginners get stuck. You scroll endlessly, but what niche do you actually pick? Here's the trick. Make a list of channels you come across and then run them through a monetization checker. Screenshot the list. From there, filter out what doesn't interest you. The best niche is one you actually enjoy because you'll be creating a lot of content around it. Step 3. Train the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm is like a mirror. It shows you more of what you interact with. So start liking, commenting, subscribing to content in your niche. The more you engage, the more YouTube floods your feed with similar videos. That feed, that's your idea machine. Quick question. Do you actually want to grow faster than 99% of new creators? If yes, hit like and subscribe. The next video is all about channel growth strategies you won't want to miss. Step 4. Learn to edit. Don't overcomplicate this. Use CapCut. It's free, it's easy, and there are countless tutorials online. Study what's already working in your niche. Do certain topics or formats keep going viral? If someone posts a ski stunt fail video, don't copy it. Find unused clips or add your own twist. Patterns are gold. Step 5. Post consistently. This is the part where most creators give up too early. Aim for one short a day. Keep testing different lengths, hooks, and styles. When you notice one video outperforming the rest, that's your outlier. Double down. Make similar videos, but add small variations. Viral about the most expensive car? Follow up with most expensive house, most expensive watch, most expensive yacht. That's how you snowball growth. And here's the secret most people miss. You don't need dozens of hits. One outlier can be the seed for millions of views if you build on it the smart way. So now let me ask you, are you ready to start your Shorts journey the right way? Or are you going to keep posting and hoping? Because success on YouTube Shorts isn't about luck. It's about using the right system. Imagine turning your Shorts into a real income stream. Wouldn't that be worth one click? If you're serious about growth, hit subscribe right now, because I'll be dropping a free strategy video next that can change your results overnight. Don't miss this. Tap the playlist on screen right now and unlock my complete YouTube automation course, 100% free. Start Module 1 today and see how fast your channel can grow.